Alright guys, how's it going? Motor Dragon here, again back with another garage video. I'm very excited about this one. Today I'm going to replace the seat, you can see here, and the exhaust. Let me just turn you guys around and I'll show you and explain everything. So I'm replacing the seat because of this tear, and then I'm replacing the exhaust obviously because of there, and you can't actually see it, but this is all scuffed and there's a hole just from the road, a few little marks here, but I'm replacing them thankfully. So I bought me a brand new exhaust. I mentioned this in my last video. So it's a brand spanking new exhaust and seat, and I also have a new mirror. So I have two mirrors, but I'm just going to stick on the right hand one for now. I might stick on the left just because this one's looking a little shitty. But yeah, going to replace the right hand mirror thankfully, and the exhaust. I'm very excited. I have the L camera set up here. I decided it'd be easier to record on my phone for this. So I'm going to set this up here. I'm going to get into it, and then it's a beautiful day, so I'm going to go and I'm going to ride. So let's set up the camera and get into it. Alright guys, so first things first, obviously I'm going to do the mirror. I'll save the exhaust for last. Do the mirror, the seat, and then the exhaust. I also have a brand new oil cooler, for obviously down there you can't see, but I don't need the oil cooler. So at the moment I'm just going to put the old mirror on. These are reverse threads actually. Oh, it already looks amazing. It's been so long. I haven't had a mirror in ages. Okay, I need to do it like this. I forgot my spanners. Give me 30 seconds. There's always something I forget. Oh my god, and my 17, the one I need, is gone. Well, that's always handy, isn't it? Might get away with 18 for the moment. Where's my 17 gone? Oh, I know exactly where it is. And it's nowhere near here. I will tighten this up and I will get back to you. Alright guys, so seat time. I have the seat behind me. I'm going to replace this one. Thank fuck. Goodbye old seat. So the only reason I'm actually replacing it with a new one is because, as I said in my last video, if you go ahead and watch it, it worked out so cheap. Your man was just selling these stuff cheap because he didn't need them. Oh yes. Oh, new seat, look at this. New seat, baby. So obviously what I need to do next is replace this, but I'm gonna buy carbon fiber ones of these. It's not too bad, it's a little scuff, but look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. When you compare it to the last one, they just had a bit of a tear. Like, it's actually not noticeable, but I wanted to replace it. So now for the one I'm most excited for, the exhaust. Okay, so exhaust time. We can see how scuffed it is, and thankfully this exhaust is very easy to get off. So all I need to do is take off this, which is this. I'm also need to replace my tax disc. It's never got around to doing it. It's literally take off this plate. There's a clamp around the pipe, and then there's this bolt, and it literally slides off. And there's a brand new gasket in the new one, so delighted. This is just going to go in the bin. Boom. Okay. Oh. Out with the old, in with the new. We can see the big dent in the side. There's all scuffs up here, and then obviously here. So that needed to be replaced. I don't even think it was on my exhaust. Like, I actually don't think it was on. I'm marking my swing out, motherfucker. Okay, anyway, let's go get the new one on. Let's go ahead and put this on. Oh yes, that's beautiful. Look at it. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, just off camera quickly, is I'm gonna change out my tax disc because I need to put that on before I can put the bolt on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm not gonna do it on camera, so it's boring, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it now, and then I'll get straight back to you. I'm so excited. For anyone not in Ireland, what what this actually is just we have to pay road tax to have our cars and vehicles on the road. And for anyone that is in Ireland, you're like, why are you actually displaying one? It's only because I want a simple life. The guards up here can be a bit of a pain, so I literally just have it on display just so I just don't get hassled, really. So that's all, really. I just don't want to get hassled. Fucking effort, you know. The cops can make your life a little bit difficult if they really want to, so I don't want to give them an excuse, to be honest. Oh yes. Nice and tight. Look at that, it's beautiful. That's that on, good on tight. New seat, new mirrors. Grand happy days. I'm gonna get you back on the phone now and we'll finish this video off. I am delighted. Okay, so yeah, what I'm gonna do is put a bit of degreaser on this, get all my rubby hands off it, and I'll start a new video, take it out for a spin. I'm so happy. I know this was a short one, but they're the kind of the main things I actually wanted to get sorted. It's Christmas Eve actually when I'm doing this, so happy Christmas, happy New Year. Thanks for all the support over the year that I've had. It's been a really weird year for everyone, but also having my little spill didn't help because that, you know, obviously I had a new series from it, but that kind of fucked everything up really for the year, for riding and vlogs and everything. So yeah, thank you guys. Hope you all have a great Christmas and a new year. And anyway, I was Moto Dragon. Thanks very much for watching. I'll talk to you on the next video.